Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open Taxsee while signed into your driver or rider account and make sure the photo you want is on the device. Once done, confirm camera and photos permissions so the app can access files, otherwise you'll be blocked when selecting an image. If you plan to take a new picture, position your face centered and use even lighting because Taxsee crops to a square. Make sure the image is clear. This reduces rework during cropping. Navigate to your profile via the menu icon. Select Settings or Profile so you can edit account details. Then tap the current avatar image. That action opens options to take a photo now or pick one from your gallery. When you choose an image, use the crop and zoom tools to center your face and remove background clutter. This affects how you appear to others. Take a moment to preview the crop because that exact square becomes your profile image across the app. After adjusting the crop, tap Save or Confirm and watch for the upload spinner to finish. Do not close the app while it's uploading. Once done, return to your profile and to a ride/order screen to verify the new avatar is visible. If the image fails to update, make sure permissions and storage are allowed. Clear the app cache or force close and reopen Taxsee, and then retry the upload. If problems persist, log out and back in to force synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.